Do you also want LinkedIn Premium for free? Yeah, I wanted that too. But let's be honest, LinkedIn Premium can't really be free. Still, I kept searching. I wanted it so bad. I tried websites, coupon codes, even Reddit threads. Some looked cheap, but when you reach checkout, boom, still expensive. And honestly, I almost gave up. Then I found this guy named Abhishek in a LinkedIn group. At first I thought, okay, probably another scam, but I still texted him, just to see. And when he replied, I couldn't believe the price. LinkedIn Career Plan, 999 rupees for 3 months. Business Plan, 1,499 rupees for 3 months. And Sales Navigator, 3,700 rupees for 3 months. You know how much that usually costs? Almost 9,000 rupees per month. He has payment options like PayPal for other users outside India. I was like, there's no way this is real. But something in me said, just try it once. So I paid. He sent me a redeem link. I clicked it, and boom, LinkedIn Premium was actually activated on my account. I even told 2 of my friends, and it worked for them too. So if you want LinkedIn Premium at a price that actually makes sense, I've dropped his WhatsApp and Telegram in the description and the comment. Go message him right now before he changes the price. Because once you try LinkedIn Premium for real, you'll never go back to the free version again.